Okay, why it is important to clean and service your battery. Now, you can see I've got a voltmeter set up here, and you can see this leakage all over the top. You see the cotton candy there on the positive post there, the corrosion. You see all this acid is leaking out of these caps, and this is normal. This is not nothing too abnormal. This is, it's a little bit of an older battery, but looks a little older anyway. But you can clean this off. This is not something I would typically worry about. I would clean this battery, and of course I would add water to the cells if I needed to and do this battery service. But I want to show you why this is important to do, because there's voltage leaking all over the top of this battery, and I want to show you why. Up to 5 volts in certain spots. Look at that. 4.3 volts running over the surface of the battery. This is just over the surface. Come over here to the edge, you might see it reduced to 1.8. It's a little further away. You can come over here, positive post. That's a whole 7 volts. An entire 7 volts. It's leaking over the top of this battery. Could you imagine how long it would take to run this battery dead if he didn't drive this truck every day with 7 volts leading over the top of it? So you can take a little bit of this stuff, some battery cleaner, and some battery protector and sealer, and prevent this. Saves the life of your battery, keeps it from running itself dead overnight or over a couple days. Some people constantly have, they'll park a car, let it sit for a couple days, and then come out and the thing doesn't want to start very well. Well, when you've got about 7-8 volts leaking over the top of the surface of the battery at all times, that might have something to do with it. So something as a cheap, stupid, easy battery service could save you a lot of money. Batteries aren't cheap. They're usually over $100. Alright, kind of concludes this little bit of lesson.